There are ways, the International Associate or the International Network of Teacher Education Institutions, in which some of you are members. We have restructured, and we now have signed MOUs with universities in roughly 50 countries. And we are poised now to take a lead role with the Education for 2030 roadmap and the framework and the roadmap in looking into research. And we would love to partner with any of your institutions. And certainly if you're interested in the International Association of Universities work, those are all ways in which we can further partner. And of course, within Europe, you have Copernicus, you have the Association for the Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education, Green Gowns. There are all kinds of other networks for you to look at. But I love the idea of Ubuntu. I hope the Ubuntu is linked to the regional centers of expertise for sustainable development is still alive and well. That is moving nicely as well globally, now 175 of these. So anyhow,